Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to find deleted friends on Snapchat. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open your Snapchat application. Once it will be opened, then on the top left side here, tap on your profile icon. And then tap on this gear icon to go to Settings. Now scroll down and here is the option My Data. Tap on it. Now here turn on this button, Export HTML files, and then tap on Next. Now here select All Time and tap on Submit. Then Snapchat team takes some time, and after a few hours Snapchat is creating a zip file. You can tap on See Export and then tap on Download to download that zip file. Then go back and open File Manager, scroll down, and here is my zip file, tap on it, and then tap on Uncompress. Then in Download folder, a new folder is created with the same zip file name. Open that folder. Then open this folder HTML. And here is the file, friends. Tap on it and open it in Google Chrome. And here you can find your all friends, friend requests sent, and here you can also find your all deleted friends. So, it was the way in which you can find deleted friends on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.